my close dogs got 3 kids and they all 3, but we always been that type of crew that been good without a plan B.
Talking lady, it's something for some chocolate. Okay, I'm down with this gangsta ass. Come on, I make it. I move my mouth, I move my money in the thing but a chicken wing. Shine ball like 2 eyelids. Why you feel beat that baby? Stop playing. I make her cream and holler like rock bands. Come off the leash, you really like a beat. On my phone, active shit, pop that like a zit. I go by the name Lil Tunchi. Your girl is a groupie and use a square and I would